In this video, I'm going to show you how to split audio tracks using VLC Media Player. VLC Media Player is a great for playing audio and video, but it doesn't have a direct built-in feature to split audio tracks the way a dedicated audio editor like Audacity does. That said, you can still use VLC in a couple of ways to split or separate parts of an audio file. Here's how to do it. First, open VLC Media Player. Then, go to Media, open a file and select your audio file. Now, play the audio, and when you reach the part you want to save, click on Record. On Windows, you may need to enable the Advanced Controls first. Go to View, then Advanced Controls. When you want to stop recording, click the Record button again. VLC will save that section as a new file, usually on your music or videos folder depending on system settings. Repeat this for each segment you want to split. And that's it. That's how to split audio using VLC Media Player.